Brightly Abbey transition in 3, 2, 1.
And now on the way to the airport.
Ano ba?
Pabalik na ng airport. Surprise. Para reference number.
What do you want, sis? Ate ko, adik yan sa manok.
Gusto ko ng pag
Yan sa'yo. As usual.
This is my favorite biscuit. It's the best. Try it.
Okay, I will.
Nice.
Hot. How much is your money, sis?
4,980,000. So I'll give you the 980,000. Bigyan kita ng 80,000. Pagkano kaya ito?
Ladies and gentlemen, name paging for Mr.
Gano'n
Lee
kaya
Kuan
kamura?
Soon. Mr. Lee Kuan Soon.
Ano yung mga plans mo sa Vietnam, sis?
Proceed to gate
Kung ano lang pagawa sa akin.
So, ayan, sabihin mo na.
So parang gusto nila mag-nature tripping.
Mukha bang nag-nature tripping at nag-hiking yan?
Ewan ko ba, parang para yata sa fit na tao talaga dapat yung trip na to. Pero tingnan natin. Parang kamukha nang naiyak. 1.5 million. 1.5 million sis. 1.7 million. 1.9 million.
Thank you, Kuya Will.
Bari ako.
Kaya sis, ito binigyan. Sabihin, iwan mo ko at some point. At pabibili mo ko sa tindahan.
Yes, anyway. Yes. Our flight is delayed for 10 minutes, but anyway, we're early. We're always early.
Kính thưa quý khách, để đảm bảo an toàn của chuyến bay, Vietjet sẽ thông báo quy định về việc mang và sử dụng pin dự phòng trên máy bay như sau. Pin dự phòng mà lấy ra khỏi
We're now at Vietnam and we know where to go.
Go sis, laban mo ang ating kinabukasan.
Very wrong youngster.
Yeah, we just landed again. It's very homey. So cute in here. Nakakabak naman si sis. Boom, sakit ng paa. Ang daming nilakad. Let's wrap up Now we're here in Vietnam, Buon Ma Thuot.
Yes.
Okay. So, ano pinagdaanan natin for today?
Marami tayong nilakad. Marami pa lang lakarin sa Vietnam.
Or because yung kasama rin natin, pamali-mali siya.
Di naman. Parang, pero okay siya. Mabait
Yeah,
siya.
super nice.
Super
Like,
nice.
very apologetic pa. Humble.
Yeah.
And, ano ba? Nakasabay siya ng video.
So,
go, yung kwento na.
We walked a lot today. We left our accommodation in Singapore at around 10 a.m. And then, yeah, now it's like 10 p.m. Singapore time. And we just reached this accommodation.
Like, we had 2 flights for today.
Yeah, with a lot of delays. Right.
Grabe. And it's so hot in Vietnam.
But I checked our steps. We just clicked like 6,000 steps.
Oh.
Yeah, not as much as the other days. Yesterday was 8,000.
I don't know. I forgot.
Yesterday was 8,000.
So today, we're at our homestay. Is it a homestay, sis? Or
I think this is a homestay, a dorm. Kasi,
And then, ba't ba nag-i-English? Kasi nag-i-English kami all throughout. Kasi ayaw namin ma-feel bad yung kasama namin na Brazilian.
yeah, Edu was very, very nice.
Yes, but we don't want him to feel left out, so we speak in English para he knows that na we're not talking about him. And
Maraming side comments si Sig actually.
we ate what?
We
I don't
ate
know.
beef and
Oo,
fish.
I don't know.
Which are really nice. Nice naman eh.
Yes.
Maano sila dito? Ma-pepper.
Yes, ma-pepper, like peppercorn.
Yeah, ma-pepper sila. Pero it was nice. And then, akala ko, the chili padi is like not very spicy. Not as spicy as Singapore. But when I tried it, it's like, I'm choking on it.
What's chili padi?
I don't know, what is it?
Which one?
Labuyo.
Ah, okay. Arte niya eh, no? Tapos, ano pa?
Ayun lang.
Ngayon, papahinga na kami because tomorrow, nagpresenta yung ate ko na maaga kami
8:30.
tomorrow.
Maliligo na ako tonight pa. Ready na tomorrow. Charot lang.
Baho mo niyan, sis. Lagkit-lagkit. So, tomorrow, pupunta kami sa mga farm.
Yes, we're going to coffee farms and cocoa farms.
Yes,
farms.
this is... Sabi mo, this is the Queen Capital.
Actually, when he asked that, I have a follow-up question but ayoko na lang patagalin. Marami akong tanong, pero yung sabi, Buon Ma Thuot is the queen of coffee.
Yes.
Jojo. Sino yung king?
Yeah, that's my question. That's why we have to ask the internet that we don't have. Kasi ayaw naman connect ng mga internet here. So, yun lang. We will update you guys tomorrow for another daily vlog of Brightly. Wow!
Good night.
Good night.
Say good night.
Good night.
Puro tayo.